If we could...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come to you and do a really quick video on how I do my foolproof foundation method. This is what I've been doing maybe like 50-60% of the time whenever I do my foundation, so you guys can always reference back to it just in case I don't include it in upcoming videos. So I start off with lip balm. This is a Clarins one. It's really good. If you like Fenties, it's that same type of texture where it's not like overly glossy. It has like a really cute shine, but it's not like really like tacky and like glossy feeling, you know? I like to go in with this under my eyes. You guys know how much I stand for this product. I think I've included it in like videos before, but it's so good. There's so, like, it's an immediate difference when you see it. Watch, I'll show you. See? This eye. Like, I love this stuff. I always use this whenever I do my makeup. Like, especially when I do my makeup. It's perfect for skin prep. So now I like to go in with a moisturizer. This one is by Neutrogena. I take a little bit on a very clean beauty blender. And I like to paint that over my face. Next, I like to go in with the NYX glitter primer. And a lot of the things I'm going to show in this video are dual purpose. Like, this is a glitter primer, but it's also a bomb fine line primer. I use this right here. And if you don't want any creasing like whatsoever, it works like glue. I like to leave like a thick coating right there in my smile lines, because those smile lines are getting crazy. It's real crazy out here. So then I go in with my foundation. I love the Clinique one. This stuff is bomb. I take a little bit on my hand. And then take a little brush. Sometimes I do a beauty blender, but for this, I'm gonna do a little brush. A little bit. This is so dewy, guys. And then instead of dragging it or like buffing it in, what I like to do, especially right here, I like to pat, because I already laid that thick layer down. So right here, we're gonna pat. And the rest we're gonna like buff in. Small layer. Put a little bit, not too much because it's a dress. Do you like my dress? I'm going to go get drinks with a friend of mine. That doesn't even sound right to say, but yeah. Okay, so now that that is on, it's on my face, I'm gonna take a spray. You're gonna wanna harness this because you're gonna use a lot of it with this. So I do like a light coating. See, very light, very dewy. If I want, I go in and I do a little bit just to make sure like all those lines are blended out. Only if I feel like it. But see, you can see like my scars. I don't want to cover. I haven't been covering up too much lately because I don't know. I'm just falling in love with my like raw skin, my just raw texture. So I'm not gonna cover up too much. So then I take this and I spray. Far away, very far. Okay. Then I go in with NARS Radiant Creamy and Amande. Oh, and the Clinique foundation, I'm in the color Clove. Yes, sir. Take that damp beauty blender and blend it in. Brown skin girl, I look like pearls. And I realized I've been going crazy on my forehead for whatever reason. And I have such a humongous, like, third eye right here. I was just showing too much love. I was way over here trying to get that shade in, and it's just, somebody should have interfered. And I'm really mad that no one stopped me from doing that. It's real. It says a lot about our relationship. And then some days I feel like, all right, cool, I might have went a little crazy. I don't feel like it's really blended. So then I go back in my foundation shade and I just meet that concealer and make sure it's blended out. Chile. Yeah. The next way. So now I like to do a little contour, just a little, girl, cause listen, the gym has missed me. The gym doesn't even know what I look like. Me contouring is literally about me getting my chin nowadays. Like, that's it. It's my, like, I'm super self-conscious about it, and all of my weight goes to my chin. And it's just like, my chin is just its own person. It has its own zip code. Oh, I love that I'm just breaking out like mid-video. Love that for me in my routine. So I'm gonna take my current favorite powder. This is Pat McGrath. Little brush. And what I personally like to do is I like to pat it under here, my eyes. Why did that take so long to get out? Pat it under my eyes. On those areas I'm most likely gonna set, just so they don't like look as cakey. So I do like a light patting. So I leave it there. Then I take bronzer. I like to think I'm bronzing. In my mind, I'm bronzing. There's something going on. At best, I'm setting my makeup. Like, that's most likely what's happening, but I like to cut my cheeks a little bit. Like, get some right under there. Yeah. But you see them fine lines, though? Where's she at? Where's she at? She's struggling to get through. See her? Struggling. You see her? Poor. Real poor. And this time I make sure I get it really, really good. Like, really good in there. If I'm not doing like a makeup look, I'll just go in and take my bronzer and start at my brow bone and then eventually go down my nose. And my eye is leaking. That's great. Give myself like a little chiseled look. Most likely I'm using my favorite blush. This is Fever by MAC. And I'm smiling really big right here. So now I'm gonna spray again. Just showing you that you could use any spray. This is Too Faced Hangover. Get a So another trick that I always do this at your own risk. I would maybe just play around in a little bit before you do like a full face to make sure that the foundation mixing well and all that. But I like to take a sunscreen. This is for your body. You don't have to do this step, but I like to make sure that my makeup is set as well as I have my sunscreen. So I like to take the spray. You ready? And what I like to do is I like to get as far as I possibly could and then spray myself. But do not get in your eyes. You're going to regret it, girl. I'm telling you. It's going to set your soul on fire. See that? I've been to Cancun. I've been tanning. What's not clicking? So this is the foolproof foundation routine that I've been doing most of the time. Hopefully it was helpful to some of you out there, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!